You want to blame the judge for not paying attention to you, but if you wouldn't have did what you did, you wouldn't have had to worry about the judge not paying attention to you. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? How are you today? I hope that your day is going fine. If not, I hope tomorrow gets better. I have taken a liking to watching these different criminal videos, law enforcement involved videos, or crime videos. So we're gonna do another one. I actually found this one, kind of looked at it just to get a taste of it, but I stopped it. So it's a judge pretty much reprimanding a criminal, from what I'm understanding. So let's get into it. But before we get into it, I ask, if you haven't liked the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. Y'all help a brother out. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down. It don't matter. If you want to drop a comment, go ahead and drop a comment. But help me get to 2,000. Let's go.
My grandson, Stephon Roby, has been found guilty of being responsible for the deaths of two of the most vulnerable, non-threatening people in his life, his mother and his little sister. And nothing was injured during his trial in his defense led our family to believe otherwise. But in spite of his terrible crime, his mother would still want him to receive the mental health treatment that he so adamantly rejected in the past.
And I feel as though that most of my emotions didn't get past because you were distracted.
Well, that is totally untrue.
Well, when she was on the stand, your phone kept going off a couple times, and you kept asking her, was it her phone? When I came into the courtroom, I seen you on the phone.
Not while the court was in session.
Okay, but your phone was still going off, and you were still distracted by the phone.
No, that is untrue. That is totally untrue. And that has nothing to do with the sentence.
Yes, it does have something to do with it.
Do you have anything you want to tell me in regards to this sentence?
Yes, I'm
before I
going to vote for a mistrial because I don't
Deny.
believe
Anything else?
No.
This is one of the most egregious cases I've ever had. When you shoot and murder your mother,
Don't worry about what I do.
the woman that brought you into this world, and your sister, and you're going to spend the rest of your natural life in prison. Hopefully someday you'll think about that. Get him out of here. I'm done.
Dang. Whoa. That's tough, dog. You killed your mama and your mama? Your mother? I don't know. Because one thing that I did hear his grandmother say was he denied the mental health that was offered to him in the past. Like, my mind going in 1,000 directions because I so want to say, where's the father? Fellas, man, I'ma just be straight up. Y'all gotta stop putting babies out here, allowing these women to raise these children by themselves, because that is a problem. I don't care if you're co-parent, you know, and I understand sometimes we're young and things happen, but stay in that child's life. Especially the young men. That's why we seeing so much violence and just turmoil everywhere when it comes to young men. I don't care if you're black or white. Yes, it happened in white neighborhoods and it happened in black neighborhoods, but I feel like black neighborhoods are highlighted more. But we leaving these women to raise boys, and these boys don't have a father figure. These boys become emotional, and these boys act on these emotions. And women cannot raise men as good as a man can raise a man. Look at the relationship between a mother and her son. A mother loves her son to the point sometimes that a son can do no wrong. I remember, man, one time I was in the mall. And it was this young lady. She had a son. And he wanted to do something and she told him no. Oh, man, you should have seen how he fell out all on the ground. She picked him up. Stop, stop, stop. She's babying him. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with showing affection, but a man needs structure. A man needs discipline. And a man needs to know how to control his emotion. Because when you don't, this is what you get. I know we have this such thing as toxic masculinity, and I've experienced that in my life, but I'd rather have that than no masculinity at all. Because see, when you act out of your emotions, 9 times out of 10, you're going to do something stupid because you're acting out of emotions. Why do you think it's a whole TV show called Snapped and the primary focus is women? Because they're acting on their emotions. They have no sense of logic. And I'm not saying that just to put women down. I'm just simply telling the truth. For example, you ever been, fellas, with a female and she bring you into a situation that you have no clue what's going on and you're wondering, why am I in this situation? Don't put me in this situation. See, because you thinking your way out of something. And a lot of times a woman just go. She acting on emotion. And fellas, this is what y'all leaving women with. And you ain't all to blame, because women, y'all need to stop settling for anything that just look good. You see somebody running the streets, it's always like this. Women attracted to the bad guys first, but you need to think. The wheel already been invented. The movie already been played. You just got to pay attention to what part you in. You go out here, you see this guy got 6 and 7 children, but you think he cute, so you're going to lay with him. And now you stuck with a baby because he in prison. This man killed his mama and his sister. And when I heard that, I was trying not to judge, because the first thing I saw him doing was blaming somebody else, which was the judge. You want to blame the judge for not paying attention to you, but if you wouldn't have did what you did, you wouldn't have had to worry about the judge not paying attention to you. And nobody's perfect, man. Nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes, but it's called accountability. That's sad. So how did your grandma take that? My grandson killed my daughter and my granddaughter. Imagine what she's going through. And she is there speaking for him. How do you love and deal with that? Lord, I pray that you be with this family. That's all I can say. I don't even know how old this case is. But fellas, we got to do better, man. We got to be better by staying in these young men's lives. And they don't want to listen to you because they don't have to listen to you. You know why they don't have to listen to you? Because their mama say, you do what I say. And I can respect that, because 9 times out of 10, she doing all of the work. So when that boy go out there in them streets, he his own man. That's a rabbit hole that if I go down, we might not come back out of. This just bothered me, that's all. Let me know what y'all think. Drop it in the comment section. Peace.